The key fob not detected error on your 2015 Ram 1500 means your truck isn't recognizing the key fob signal. This is often due to a weak key fob battery, signal interference, or a glitch in the vehicle's WIN or RFHUB module. The vehicle's immobilizer system relies on radio frequency signals to authenticate the key fob before starting the engine. When this communication fails, you get the error. The most common components involved are the key fob battery, typically a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell, the WIN RF hub module, which handles key fob communication and can glitch due to interference or software bugs, and the Relearn procedure, which reprograms the vehicle to recognize the fob. This issue affects approximately 15 to 20% of 2015 Ram 1500 trucks, but fixes are often DIY friendly. First, replace the key fob battery with a new CR2032 lithium battery. Ensure the fob is within 5 to 10 feet of the truck for proper detection. If the battery replacement doesn't work, try resetting the WIN RF hub module by disconnecting the truck's battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This clears stored errors. Finally, perform the Relearn procedure. Consult your owner's manual for the specific steps, which often involve cycling the ignition multiple times and pressing buttons on the key fob in a specific sequence. If the problem persists after these steps, it could indicate a faulty antenna or body control module, requiring professional repair. As of 2025, Stellantis has released over-the-air software updates that may address root causes by improving signal stability.